Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space.
Hi everyone, so this week I finished my quarantine. It's been 2 weeks since I've been here, well it's been a bit longer now, and over the past couple of days I've done some productive things, but also I've still got so much to do in town. So I'm going to town this morning, and I decided to vlog it because why not? I generally make lifestyle, arty, creativity based content, so if you enjoy any of that then why not subscribe and turn on the notifications to be notified when I next upload. So I'm about to go to town right now. I've got my bag ready, I just need my mask. I've got my mask, got my bag ready, gonna put my jacket on, and I think then I'm gonna leave. I've got my list, this is my list. I've got so much to do. So I'm a bit silly and I actually came to town like an hour early. I thought like if I come early, like surely I'll get everything done quicker, but no, because I didn't take into consideration that everyone's like working with reduced hours. So this is definitely not the main purpose I came into town, but I really want to dye my hair. I'm thinking silver, but also these two are really cool as well.
Wearing a face mask and maintaining social distance helps keep you and others safe, and it helps make the
Feeling like Pluto, you already knew that. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way?
I am back now, and my hair's a mess. I apologise for that. Most of my stuff is downstairs. I got some food and I got a saucepan, a mixing bowl, a whisk, and some other stuff like that. But yeah, here are some other things I got that are going to go in my room. Yeah, I got these kitchen scales. They were £2.50. I wanted electric ones, but they didn't have any, so these will have to do for now. I got this avocado pencil case, and I got 3 of them. I got one for myself, one for my sister, and one for my friend. I got myself some shaving cream. This is literally the only shaving cream I can use without my legs going as red as a strawberry. I got some cat treats and some dog treats. Yes, I know that my pets are all in Greece and I'm in England, but I thought that if I was going to send this to my sister, I might as well put in some treats for the animals, and I also wanted to get something for my brother as well, just so that everyone gets something. I got myself a throw, and this is for my chair because you'll see it in my room transformation video, but my chair is that ugly colour and I want it to match with the rest of my room, and it's very uncomfortable, so I was like, I'll get myself a throw. And the only reason I went for this like baby pink is because my bed throw is the same colour. I got some hair dye. Again, I think I'm going to do this in a video. I think I'm going to dye my hair silver for a video. But I want it to be like a chatty video, like maybe do like assumptions or Q&A or something like that. So if you have anything that you want me to talk about, any questions, any assumptions that you want to make, then go for it. I got myself some vitamins. I also treated myself to these simple Radiance Booster Drops. Yeah, I've seen those advertised so many times and I gave in. And from Primark I got myself some towels, a fitted sheet, and where is it? Towels. fitted sheet and this sachet thing. If you want your room to smell nice, go to Primark, get these just like make your room smell so good. I use them all the time in first year and second year actually, and I absolutely love them. I also got some Tupperware containers. I need these so badly. So yeah, and these were only 75p for like a set of 4. And finally from Poundland I got some batteries. My room is an absolute mess right now and I really need to get some studying in, so I'm just gonna like spend 10 minutes cleaning everything up, putting everything away, and then I need to go get post actually, and then after that, once that's sorted, I am going to do the Depop stuff because I promised I would put my clothes on Depop. So things for my room transformation video I'm not actually going to put out because I want to film them for the video, so I'm just going to put them in this bag, anything that's for that. I just need some music. What am I doing? I've got 2 parcels here. I know exactly what they are. I ordered some bags that I can use to ship items on Depop, and I literally ordered these last night and they arrived today. Prime. Let's see. Ah, look how cool it is. I love the colour. We love purple. The next one is from Snapfish. I ordered some photos. We love that. Like what I've done is I've ordered 50 prints from Snapfish, and these are like you get them for free, you just pay postage. I'm now going to do all the photos for my Depop. I need to do it while I've still got light. So here comes the suitcase. I'm going to take the photos and then I'm going to weigh everything up, figure out the postage, and yeah.
From afar.
Okay, so this is like initializing or something. It's kind of annoying how dusty it is, so I'm just wiping it down.
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.